Hello, wanted to do a real good check-in and overview of August 16 again because we have a few new followers and we're really starting to gain some momentum now. So in case you're not familiar with our project, we are Andrea and Jeremy Parker, and we purchased the former Kempt United Baptist Church in November of 2023. And our dream and goal and what we're working towards is to turn it into a 5-unit apartment building in Summerville West Hants, also encompassing a community room. So for the first few months, we've been going through municipal council and getting land by use changes and getting everything signed off from the province. So that took us till about May. And from May to July, we were working through getting our septic plan done, a building assessment. We've been working on the financing, all of that. And this past Thursday, so the first part of August, we obtained our building permit. So now we can start the actual construction piece. We will be doing some of that as we do acquire the financing. So that's where we're at. Still asking if folks can like and share our page, follow us on YouTube, etc., etc. Just because the more momentum we get behind this, the easier it is for us to get funding and get more attention about this project and help with the housing situation in Nova Scotia. Any questions, just drop a comment. This is going to be on Instagram, our Facebook page, and obviously on YouTube. That's what you're watching this on right now, probably. So have a great rest of your weekend. It's Sunday as I'm filming this. And next time I have an update, I'll be in touch.